Hey guys, so today we are going to be looking at some great free apps on the Microsoft App Store. And the first one that we're going to start off with is Adobe Photoshop Express. Now, this, as you all know, is a slimmed down version of Adobe's industry-leading photo editor. Photoshop Express is ideal for touchscreens, letting you optimize your photos with just a few taps and slides of a finger. There's a section of looks to choose from that are similar to Instagram filters, but offer much more choice, as well as options designed for specific types of images. For example, there are skin smoothing filters made specifically for portraits, and others designed to bring out the blues and greens of landscapes. You can crop, flip, straighten, and adjust your images. Heal blemishes, correct red eye. If you're really in a hurry, there's even a one-tap auto-enhance tool. The good thing about this software is no features are hidden behind paywalls, but you'll be prompted to sign in by creating either an Adobe ID or log in with a Facebook or Google account. The next application that we're going to look at is VLC. Now, as you know, VLC has been around for many years. VLC is an open source media player that's available for any Microsoft device, including PCs, mobile devices, Xbox, and HoloLens. It's also compatible with pretty much every media file type there is, without the need to download any additional plugins or codecs. When you first launch VLC Media Player, it will automatically detect any connected storage devices and offer to use them to store your media library, or copy media from there to your Windows 10 device's internal storage. From there, the controls are wonderful, simple, and it's even possible to lock them, so you don't have to skip a scene through clumsy accidental tapping. The version of VLC in the Microsoft Store doesn't support DVD or Blu-ray playback. For that, you'll need to download the full desktop software. But for everything else, the universal VLC Windows app is a great choice. Now, as you know, there's no shortage of task management apps on the Microsoft Store, but Microsoft's own is hard to beat. To do is very simple to use. Just create a master list of tasks with deadlines, then choose which you want to complete today. The current day's tasks will appear under My Day and can be set to disappear once they're marked as complete. To do is a far simpler tool to use than tools like Trello, which lets you assign work to different people and hold conversations about jobs, but that's by design. To do is designed more for everyday tasks like posting birthday cards and buying milk than serious project management. That said, you can share your list with other people if it's someone else's turn to take out the trash, for example. The last application that we're going to look at on the Windows App Store is Hotspot Shield Free VPN. Now, there are relatively few VPN options available in the Microsoft Store, and Hotspot Shield is one of the most trusted names. When you first launch the app, you'll be prompted to either pay for a premium subscription or start a 7-day free trial. But if you tap the back arrow in the top left, you can proceed using the free VPN. Tap Connect and you'll be assigned a virtual IP address. It's very simple to use, and although the free version isn't useful for streaming, it can be handy for quickly accessing region-restricted content or circumventing censorship. Like all free VPNs, Hotspot Shield for Windows 10 comes with some limitations. Specifically, it has a 500 megabyte daily download limit. Hotspot Shield has also come under criticism for using browsing data to target ads, a claim its developer denies. I've placed the links to each application below in the description, and please remember to like and subscribe to see any upcoming videos I have on how to make your life in IT easier.